Here's how we work with Reflector. I have my Mac laptop open. Reflector will work on either Mac or a PC. You always want to download the software to the laptop or computer that you're going to use the most because it does not transfer from computer to computer. So I'm going to go down here to the Reflector app and just click on it to open. And then up at the top you'll see that there are different things that you can do. We can also enter full screen mode, which will actually black out everything so that you don't see my desktop. Closing the connection is always nice. You can do automatic orientation, or you can force it to be landscape or portrait. You can also set up your preferences, and you can set up for a different resolution. You can have a password set up. You can show the name and other things. When I'm ready to go ahead and connect my device, Reflector's already on. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected. I will actually start on the iPad, and I'll go down to the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to flick up the iPad. When you see on the right side that the AirPlay joins, then I go ahead and click on the name of my device that I want to connect. Make sure that you're doing the laptop. This is where Apple TV would also show up if you have Apple TV. Turn on mirroring and then wait for it to connect. Once it connects, you can go ahead and you can actually adjust a little bit with the screen and where you want it. Once again, if you want to go to full screen mode, go ahead and connects. So now what's really beneficial is that Reflector is here, and I can actually use Reflector for whatever I want to use with my class. One of my favorite things to do in my class is use the workout apps, and I'll just show you really quickly to go through. This app plays a bunch of fitness activities that you can have your students follow along, and your iPad is doing all of the work, and the laptop is simply helping to project it through a projector or on the laptop screen itself. One of the nice things about the Reflector app is that I can also set up to do more than one iPad at a time. So once I set it up, I can have actually two iPads. I've done this where I've had the workout app going at the same time on the different iPads, doing different activities so that the students can work together. This is also a great way where you can actually watch the students that are working on a project and where you can actually see their progress that's being made on the activity. Another thing that you can do is to set up BAM video delay, which is a really cool app. And as you can see, I have the app set up so that it's recording me and it's on a delay. And I can change the delay from just a few seconds up to a few minutes if I wanted to. This way you can have the students performing a skill, and then they can run around to the projector or the laptop and see what they're doing. And then they don't have to waste time with stopping the app, watching the video, and keep going. Every once in a while I have a problem with my videos not connecting, so what I do is I just go over to Reflector and I'll do a force quit, and then I'll go ahead and turn Reflector back on, and then it usually solves most of the problems. Occasionally I'll have to actually restart my laptop, but that's kind of rare. It's only happened to me a couple of times. So if you have any questions, please let us know here at ESPE Chat, and thanks for watching.